Exercise 11.3, question number 1. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. First, the distance between the Earth and the Moon is approximately 384 3030 meters here. So, here we are going to see the exponential expression. So, zeros we are going to write in a exponent form here. That means 384 into 6 zeros, that means 10 to the power of 6 meters. In this way we can write, or else we can write 32.84 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. Second, the universe is estimated to be about 12,000,000,000 years old. That means here 9 zeros are there. That means 12 into 10 to the power of 9 here. It can also be written as or 1.2 into 10 to the power of 10 years old. Third one, the distance of Sun from center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be this big number here, meters. So here we are going to count the zeros. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 zeros are there. That means 3 into 10 to the power of 20 meters. Fourth, the Earth has approximately 1,353,000,000 cubic kilometers of seawater. So here in the exponential form, that means 1,353 into 6 zeros are there, that means 10 to the power of 6 here. Or it can be written as 1.353 into 10 to the power of 9 cubic kilometers.